This is a D sharp minor triad chord. It's made up of D sharp, F sharp and A sharp. It's called a triad because it has 3 notes in it. The first note is a D sharp, and we call this the root note because this is the note we're building the chord from. And then it has an F sharp and an A sharp. Now you may notice that the notes of the D sharp minor chord are exactly the same as the notes as an E flat minor chord, and this is called enharmonic. Now every single minor chord on the piano is built in the exact same way. So once you know how to build it, you can play a minor chord from any note on the piano, and it's super easy to learn. So all we do to build the minor triad chord is firstly to pick a root note. So this can be any note on the piano. So I'm just going to pick a C because it's easy to teach with. So to build a minor triad, all you do from the root note is move up 3 half steps followed by 4 half steps. And that's it. And a half step on the piano is really simple to learn. It's just moving up to the next closest note. So from here, the next closest note up would be this black note. So this is a half step. From here, if we move up a half step, we come to this D. And then it will be this black note, and then to this E. And then there's no black note here, so a half step would be to this F. And then we just move up like this. Half step, half step, half step, half step, half step. And we can do this all the way up the piano and all the way back down again. Half step, half step, half step, half step, and so on. So you can just spend some time practicing your half steps. And then when we build this chord, we pick our root note. I've picked a C. We're going to move up 3 half steps followed by 4 half steps. So to get the next note from here, we go 1, 2, 3. So this will be the next note in our chord. And then we move up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be our minor chord. And this will be the same from any note. So you just pick a root note. Let's pick an F. We're going to move up 3 half steps followed by 4. So 1, 2, 3 is our first note of the chord, followed by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be an F minor chord, and this will always be the same. So I'll pick any black note. Let's pick this black note at the top, the B flat. So this is our root note. We're moving up 3, then 4 half steps. So from here, 1, 2, 3. Here's our next note, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you have it. This will be your B flat minor. So have some fun with this and trial this out from all the notes on the piano.